Hello, my name is Sky from Crewe Motor Match, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. We are so excited to bring you this gorgeous mini hatch Cooper S Sport Steptronic in a stunning black colour with 5 doors and extremely low miles. You're already onto a winner. This car benefits from the John Works Aerodynamic kit, not only adding to the gorgeous exterior of this car, but improving the overall performance. The rear of this car is just as beautiful as the front, with the John Cooper Works roof spoiler giving the car its sportier look. Pairing perfectly with the black exterior, we also have the chrome highlights. Here we have the 17-inch black track spoke alloys. And to the front we have the Bonnet Scoop with the LED headlights with closed ring as daytime driving lights, giving you more visibility on the road. This already spacious boot comes with a variable boot floor, so worrying about extra space or storage will definitely be a thing of the past. Moving on to the interior, in the back we have 3 full-sized seats with ISOFIX slots on the outside too. We also have the luxurious upgraded carbon black Dynamica cloth John Cooper Works sport seats that are perfectly matched with the upgraded Anthracite headliner, carrying on the dark and sporty aesthetic. This car has the upgraded comfort pack, which includes automatic air conditioning, rear parking distance control, storage compartment pack and centre armrest. The front 2 seats are manually adjustable, and on the door we have the stunning John Works door sills. This car is definitely sleek and stylish, with the black checkered interior surface and the chrome highlights brightening up the cabin. This absolutely stunning leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel has contrast red stitching, adding an extra bit of colour to the car. The infotainment screen can be controlled using this control panel, however it is also a touch screen. This Mini comes with the upgraded navigation pack, which is a satellite navigation system on a 6.5-inch screen, featuring things such as real traffic time information, Mini Connect, Apple CarPlay, DAB radio and My Mini settings. Ensuring maximum comfort, especially in the winter months, we have the heated front seats, as well as dual zone air conditioning. This car is also keyless go, with the stop-start controls underneath the climate control panel. RAC warranty is available on this vehicle. For more information or to arrange a test drive, please call us on 01270 864408 or inquire online now. Thank you.